This is one basic example of converting the gender codes. For example, we might have the value of M, we'll be converting into male and female. So this is very simple, but yeah, we'll try to explain and the real-time scenarios if possible. Yep, we will go to our Mirth Connect, and I already created the filter with the convert gender codes, and I'll paste my code over here. So this is very simple. If you know the basic JavaScript, I'm creating a variable over here with bit 8.1 value, which is nothing but the gender code. If the gender code is M, I'm just assigning the 8.1 value as male. If the gender code is F, I'm just assigning it as female. So let's see how this thing works. I'll save this. I'll deploy the channel. So I'll go to one of my last message, which has a gender code as M over here. I'll reprocess it. I'll click OK and I'll refresh. Yep, in the destination, yeah, you can see the message as M, but it has been encoded to male. So similarly, if I'll copy this and I'll send this as a message. So rarely you might get into the situation of changing gender code, but still I thought of explaining it might be a good scenario. And in the destination you can see F has been changed to female. But what if there is no M or F, there is some other thing in the gender code? We'll test out now, and we need to write the code according to it. I'll type something known as X. We'll see how this thing works. 30 destination, and because we haven't wrote any logic for X, it should be X itself. That's it. So we haven't wrote any logic for X. If we want to write some logic, we can easily write. Yep, we can come here else, and we can add another else if statement, or we can add something like else. So what we'll do, we'll segregate this. I feel this way much easier sometimes, not sometimes, almost most of the time. I'll do something like else, and I'll give my specific value. Okay, then I'll do this. Uh, so if there is nothing, I'm just giving without any condition else. So means if we get X or A or B or whatever it is, else happy ending. Okay. So this is how the raw coding is done without using any functions from the right side panel. Just use your algorithms and basic analyzation, and you can try to do it. Hope we haven't done any mistake over here, and see if the gender code thing works. I'll double click in the source. Yeah, this is the X one, and we'll reprocess it. We should get happy ending, but yeah, its raw is X and the encoding is happy ending. That's it. The gender code thing works. So rarely you might encounter this, but it's always good to use raw coding for this process. Thank you.